In this video, we'll give you a quick guide to the rewards of the Wells Fargo Active Cash ER card. Let's dive into how you can earn cash back with no hassle. Step 1. 2% cash back on purchases. The Wells Fargo Active Cash ER card gives you 2% cash back on every purchase, no rotating categories or limits. Simply use the card for all your spending. Step 2. Sign up bonus. Earn a $200 bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months. A great way to start earning rewards right away. Step 3. Redeeming rewards. You can redeem your cash back as statement credits, direct deposit, gift cards, or travel bookings. Flexible and easy. Step 4. No annual fee. Enjoy all these rewards without any annual fee, making this card a great value. Step 5. Introductory APR offer. Take advantage of 0% APR for 15 months on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. After that, a variable APR applies. Step 6. Extra benefits. Get extra perks like cell phone protection and purchase protection when using the card. Conclusion. The Wells Fargo Active Cash ER card offers straightforward rewards with great benefits, all while charging no annual fee. A great choice for cash back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.